Welcome to Manny Pagan Travel. We are currently in Juncos, Puerto Rico at BACOA and Farm, or BACOA and Finca. Alright, we want to try this amazing place. I saw a YouTube video on this place and I gotta tell you guys, it looked absolutely amazing. The food looked amazing. It's supposed to be farm to table. So we're really excited for this place. We drove over an hour to get here from where we're staying at, and I just can't wait to see what it's about. So if you're interested to see how this place is, how they cook the food, and is it worth it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content, and follow me for more. So let's go, let's check it out. These farmlands are beautiful, very tranquil, nice. This is our national tree here. So we're celebrating our anniversary. Yesterday was our anniversary, but this is the anniversary dinner. So, we brought our daughter with us. And it's so beautiful. I'm loving it. Okay, so they have a ton of options, farm to table. They have skirt steak. They have New York strip. They make it in different ways, different types of things. So I decided to go with something different. I decided to go with for appetizers some bread that they make here in house with a pumpkin dip, so I'm really interested to see how that's going to taste like. She has surullos de maíz, which is like corn sticks, and you dip it into mayo ketchup sauce. And she went with the New York strip, and I went with the skirt steak. I think it was a great option. I've had paracha, passion fruit juice all week, so I'm gonna try guanábana, which is what in English? Guanábana is what?
Is it guava?
No, guava's guayaba. I'll be right back. It's sour sop or sour sop. I don't know. If you know it, whatever, but it's really good, so can't wait to try it. These are the surullos de maíz. Try them out. They're good? I'm gonna try a little bit, but I got a lot to work with. Let me see. Oh yeah. That was really good. All right, here's my bread and the pumpkin dip. Let's see how this is right here. Oh, it was really good. It has a great sauce. The chimichurri in there too. It's really good. Alright, it took a while. It's finally here. Look at that. That looks amazing. Beans look good. The New York strip. Let's try it out. Perfectly. The crust, everything. It's amazing. It has a smoky flavor to it. Amazing.
So good. So juicy. Seasoned perfectly. Oh my gosh. Really good.
10 out of 10. Alright guys, it was so good that we didn't finish it. It was just so much food that I just couldn't finish it, and I wanted to leave a little room for some dessert just to give a full experience on this place. So let's see how that is. There's the goat cheese cheesecake.
Hey. Your latte.
Gracias.
De nada, que viene su cantinita. Lo disfruté. ¿Qué tal ese cheesecake?
Oh, wow.
Qué bueno.
Riquísimo.
Qué bueno.
Wow.
Let's try it. Let's try it.
No sé.
Phenomenal. That is really good. All right, so overall impressions, 10 out of 10. It was phenomenal. It was amazing. I come back. And I'm gonna recommend this to anyone that wants to try really good food. Puerto Rican food. This is your place. BACOA.